Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to create recovery drive in Windows 11 computer. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to create a recovery drive on your Windows 11 computer, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to click on the start menu, then search for control panel and click on the control panel. Guys, you have to make sure that you can see here view by it is selected as large icon or small icon. I have selected large icon. After selecting large icon, in this you need to find recovery. You can see here recovery. Just click on the recovery. In this advanced recovery tools, you will find create a recovery drive. Just click on that. Click on yes. Before clicking next, you have to make sure that you have connected your USB pen drive to the laptop or computer. After connecting the pen drive, just check mark this option and click on next. Guys, you can see here the USB pen drive which you have connected. Just you have to select that one and click on next and click on create. You need to wait for some time to complete this process. And you have to make sure that is no files or any data on your pen drive, because it will be get deleted. Guys, it will take some time according to your storage usage. After completion of this, just click finish and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can create a recovery drive on your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.